Hi and welcome back to Curly Beauty 13. In today's video, I'm doing a haul of some Mielle products that I've gotten over the months that are new to me or re-ups. I will let you know if I've ever used it as I open them. So if you'd like to see the new Mielle products that I purchased, just keep on watching. So we're gonna start with some items that I ordered months ago. It was actually back in the beginning of June when this collection just came out and it was only available in Ulta. This is the Mielle Mango and Tulsi collection. So right here is the Nourishing whipping cream. This is probably like for a braid out or something. So I can't wait to try these products. This one is the Nourishing leave-in conditioner from that same line. This is the Nourishing styling gel from that same collection. They're taped up, so I'm not gonna open it and smell it yet. They also had an oil in this line, and this is the, what's a serum? Mango and Tulsi Nourishing Instant 3-in-1 Serum. It transforms, seals, and replenishes. Let's see if I can open this to see what the smell is like. It smells like a mango scented lotion or something. And last but not least is the shampoo and conditioner. I'm just gonna leave it in the plastic because that's how it came. So that's the shampoo and conditioner from that line. So I think I got everything from that collection. If you've already used this Mango and Tulsi collection from Mielle, please let me know what you think, and please let me know what your favorite product from it is. Let's move on to the next item. So as I said, it's been a while since I've ordered. These items have just been in the box waiting for me to open them. So I'm going to open the next box now. I believe this is a purchase that I made in July or August. So let's get that open so we can see what I got. This is the box right here. Mielle always has these pretty pink boxes that I love. Don't you love the detail that goes into this? Like, this is so pretty. The Mielle Rice Water Collection was the first collection I've ever used from Mielle. So if you haven't seen that video, I will put it in the cards right here, and I will also link it down below so you can see what I thought of those products. But since there was a sale on their rice water items, I decided let me order some more so I could try it again since it's been over 2 years and see what else they had. The first item is a bonus size of their rice water clay mask. Next is something I haven't tried, which is their rice water and aloe vera deep conditioner. This was not from the original rice water collection. This was added after the fact. So I've never tried this one. Then there is a rice water aloe vera itch relief, and this also is from the newer line, so I have not tried this. There's also a rice water braid gel from the newer part of the rice water collection, the rice water and aloe vera. Then we have the rice water moisturizing milk. I did use this in the video that I will be linking, so check that below so you can see how I liked it. And the rice water hydrating shampoo. I believe I also did talk about this in that video. And last but not least from this order is the Mongongo Oil Thermal and Heat Protectant Spray. And this is a smaller size. I don't think this is a normal size. It's a 4 ounce. And I decided to get this because Mielle is a brand that I do trust, and I want to start using heat protectant items and things when I straighten my hair from companies and brands that I trust, not just the ones that we used to use, but the ones that we want to put in our hair every day. So I'm excited to try this out because it is fall, and I will be heat styling my hair more often because it does get cold and I don't always feel like having wet hair in the winter. So those were the items from the second order. Let's get to the last order, and I believe this order was what I made when the sale came up a few weeks after the order I just went through. So here's this box. Every now and then Mielle has a sale where items are, I believe, like $7 or so. I know one time they were $6, but this was like a while ago. First item is the Split End Therapy from the Rice Water collection that I spoke about. So this is a repurchase of this. Unfortunately, the box is a little bit of a mess and I waited so long to open it. I can't write to them now and let them know that it's a mess, but it looks like the shampoo is open. I'm gonna take a picture of it with my phone and show you. It's literally open. So I don't know who packed this, but it really sucks when this happens because it's a mess. But I'm gonna try to take that out last because it looks like it got everywhere. This is also a repurchase. This is the Mielle Sea Moss Blend Anti-Shedding Gel Hair Mask. I had to get this again because I really did like this mask. This mask, I wish was the gel itself. It felt so nice in my hair. I loved applying it. I didn't even want to stop. So I definitely repurchased this. Also, I ordered 2 of the Mielle Babassu and Mint Deep Conditioner. This is the deep conditioner I've used over and over and over plenty of times, and I really do like it. It does have a strong scent, but I think it's a great deep conditioner, so I ordered 2 of these. Next is the Mongongo Oil Hydrating Conditioner. This is protein free. This goes with the heat protectant spray that I mentioned in the other package. So I'm just trying to get all the different collections and build up my Mielle shelf. I have a whole shelf of Mielle stuff. Next is the Gummy Healthy Hair Adult Vitamins. I have probably some of these already and I haven't tried them yet. I have a bunch of different hair vitamins and other vitamins that I'm supposed to be trying, so I gotta get on that. I guess I ordered another one and another one, so I have 3 hair vitamins. Maybe I'll give one away. And I also have the Mielle Moisture RX Hawaiian Ginger Moisturizing Scalp Treatment. I have used this collection before, but I do not have a video using it. I don't exactly remember how I like this collection, so I will get another video out using this as soon as possible. And then it looks like I ordered another rice water itch relief, like I did in the other order. I probably forgot. So I have 2 of these. It's good for the scalp. It says it has instant relief from scalp irritation, so that's good. Sometimes in the winter especially, the scalp can get dry because of the dry air, and something like this could really help. And last but not least is the Messy Mongongo Oil Exfoliating Shampoo. I'm gonna write to them anyway because like this shouldn't have been opened and spilled out so much all over the box. And I'll see if they get back to me and if they send me another one. If they don't, it's my fault for waiting too long, but if they do, I will give you an update and let you know. That was my Mielle haul. If you have not checked out the rice water collection video, don't forget to check that out. Also, I do have a video where I use the Mielle pomegranate and honey line. I will link that below as well so you can see how I like that one. If you like this video and you'd like to see more hauls and unboxings, please let me know down below and I will see you in the next video. Bye.